I followed every little yellow brick road that I was supposed to follow. I did corporate recruiting. I worked at several law firms. I hated them all and never fit in, but I just told myself, you need to work harder to fit in. I'd go for days without sleeping. I would lie there staring at the clock until 5, 6 in the morning. I started taking sleeping pills. I started getting prescription upon prescription. I realized, I'm 26 years old and this is what my life looks like. Something needs to change, something very drastic, because I can't continue like this. I had gotten to a place where I was just battling with myself. I was in a constant war with myself, and the rest of the world was practically just collateral damage around me. I started to write an anonymous blog about my experiences at the law firm where I was working currently, as well as the firms that I had worked for in the past. For me, it was really a chance to have my voice heard. In November of 2005, the New York Times anonymously profiled the blog. They wrote a story about it. My name was never mentioned, and there was a picture of me. It was shaded over. You couldn't see my face. And that raised the blog's profile to a point where I said, okay, I have to quit, because otherwise I'm going to eventually be found out and fired. Step outside your comfort zone. Do things that surprise you that you didn't even know you could do. Turn off the TV at night. That's a huge one. Turn off the TV at night and do something else. I stopped watching TV for months, and look what happened. I had a new career. Every day I wake up and I write something. It doesn't matter if I'm sick, if I feel awful. Sometimes it's the novel, sometimes it's something for the Huffington Post, sometimes it's a magazine article. But I wake up and I write something, and I feel like I've accomplished something that day. Actively live your life. Don't just get through it. Don't just survive another day. Don't wake up in the morning only because you didn't die the night before. Wake up and be passionate.